Hey angels, welcome back to another DIY. So, continuing with my birthday celebration of me making stuff. So this cute little outfit, this set I got from Amazon, and this rhinestone I got from Etsy. I had it custom made. So I'll leave the seller link down in the description box down below. So I'm just going to be cutting off a couple of the words, the letters, the numbers, so that it can fit on the shirt properly, because I don't want nothing to be hanging out at the sides or anything like that. So another thing, this is not really rhinestone. This is kind of like stickers, because rhinestone has a different feel to it, but it's fine. It's still cute. And this is how it looks. Happy 24th birthday, Sandrine. So adorable. It looks good. I was so hesitant to start ironing this on because I was like, I don't know if it's going to go on there properly. I've never used this before because obviously it wasn't rhinestone. I didn't know like what it was, like what kind of sticker it was, how long it would take for it to actually transfer. But eventually I was like, yeah, let's just get this over with so I can go to bed. So I'm just removing the back, pasting everything onto the voila, making sure everything lined up before I start pressing down on everything so it can stick. And this is how everything's looking. So good so far. Now I can start ironing on. Since it's not rhinestone, you can actually iron it. You can rub the iron across from it, across the clothes. Nothing is going to fall off or anything like that. So, yeah. So I'm just rubbing it, making sure everything looks good. Nope, it's not ready yet. By the way, obviously this video is very fast. I fast forwarded, but while doing this, I had the iron on there for like a few minutes. And then every time I try to remove the plastic, nothing was transferring. I was like, oh my God, this is not working. What did I spend my money on? But eventually, I just had a little more patience and everything was able to transfer on there perfectly. So, I guess I was just overreacting. I was not waiting long enough. Like I said, I had the iron on there for like a few minutes. And voila, this one is gonna come off so perfect. Except for the letter N. For some reason, that letter wanted to be difficult. I wish that I didn't actually have a movie playing in the background so that you guys could hear how it sounds when the paper is being removed. It sounds so good, so satisfying. But yeah, I messed up with that. Now I'm removing the top part of happy. Only one little piece decided to be stubborn, but I put it back on there and then I just go over it again with my iron. I don't know why the letter N decides to be stubborn. Like everything else is cooperating, but except for you. And finally, it turned out so cute. Now it's time for the shoes. The shoes is looking so perfect. Except for one of the letters. No, not the letters. The numbers decide, oh well, they're not going to turn out perfect. So I have to go back over it again with my iron. And just like the letter N, the letter H decided to be stubborn. The number turned out perfectly, came off wonderful. But yeah. Letter H. I think one of the rhinestone stickers did not stick on there. I just got fed up. I was like, you know what? I don't have time for this. I was like, this is it. I'm done. I have given you heat. What more do you want? I was fixing this one and it came off perfectly. So yeah, a little dot was missing in the H. And look at this. Every 2 seconds, this thing Oh my God. I was so tired. I was ready to go to bed. It was probably like after 3 in the morning while I was doing this. Because I was trying to make my other birthday dress. And this was the last thing for me to make. The last thing. I thought this was going to be the easiest thing. I just made this and then go to bed. No. The letter H. The letter H had me in here cussing. I was like, what? And I realized a few little pieces were still coming out. So I was like, let me just do this one last time. I was like, yeah, forget this. But this is how it turned out. You see, that's what I'm saying. It's not actually rhinestone. It's kind of like stickers. But this is how everything turned out. Everything came out perfectly except for the letter H. I was like, nah, I need my sleep. But this is how it looks. It looks so perfect. I can't wait to show you guys the full look of how everything is going to be looking. I used to always have custom birthday shirts for every one of my birthdays. Like, happy birthday, Sandrine. It was so cute. So why not make another one? Alright, so this is how it looks. The skirt is super, super short. Like, obviously, I knew that. But when I tried it on, like, the whole butt cheeks and everything was out. But it still looks cute. And I love how everything turned out.